You're watching JT the Ag Guy. Today we're getting ready for a massive snowstorm coming tonight. So we're at the Quick Star, best gas station on earth, getting some gas. Got to put the premium in the 60. So yeah. So as you guys know, I just bought the John Deere 60, and actually it's within 48 hours of getting her, we're gonna have like a huge snowstorm apparently. So I'm getting some gas, but she only takes the premium stuff, so this is going to be slightly expensive, but that's okay. We love the 60. 60 is awesome. Oh. Yeah, this ain't gonna be cheap. Just top her off right there. All right, give a little knock. Ouch, that was expensive. Fun fact, I've met that guy in real life. He came and looked at our chicken coop for my FFA project, so that was pretty cool. Mike Nag. Mike, if you're watching this, let us know. Are you a subscriber? Highly doubt the State Secretary of Ag is watching my videos, but if he is, much appreciated, Mike. And for the rest of you, I appreciate your support as well. Don't forget to hit that sub button down there if you haven't already. Yeah. I still can't believe that was $61 to fill up 15 gallons of premium gas. But it's like they say, boys, those old two-cylinders, they're good, but they need premium.
Hey, that smells like regular. She needs premium, dude. Premium!
Honestly, at the end of the day, I don't care. It's still an awesome tractor in my book. So, got the goods in the back there. Gonna head home. By the way, quick start. If you ever look for a sponsor, my man, hit your boy up. It's literally my favorite gas station. I will vouch for you guys so much. You don't even have to buy me the food. I will buy it myself. I just like the opportunity to talk about it positively. Well, I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, head home. Morning, guys. So we got a little snow last night. I'm just gonna refill the tractor this morning, get rid of a little gas. As you saw last night, I went to the Quick Star, grabbed some gas. So we're gonna fill her up and move snow later today. I got some college stuff I gotta work on, some 4-H stuff I gotta work on.
$20 right there.
Got her all fueled up. Thinking, why don't we give her a quick start this morning? Yes, I spilled a little gas. Like a dream.
One eternity later.
All right, we're getting ready to pull out some snow, so we're gonna get this sucker started. There we go. Look at that beauty right there. By the way, complete side note, the other tractor you see in the backgrounds are family's age 1086. Both me and Dad were out here plowing snow together, so if you hear something that's not the 60, it's probably what you hear running. Pull this right here. Yeah. By the way, quick thanks to my dad. This is the footage you're about to see that you don't hear the 60 driving in. This was all him that he took from the cab, the 1086. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we're going to call that a job well done. I think 60 has already earned her geek. Very nice. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching the 60 get at it with her first job. There's more tractor content to come in the future. But thank you. God bless you. And we'll see you in the next one.